Hi, in this video, I walk you through our customer service autonomous agent and how it works. Let's start with its main features. This autonomous agent manages product-related inquiries received via email and replacing the first interaction of the customer with the support staff. It retrieves and summarizes Microsoft Dynamics 365 knowledge base articles and provides a clear and relevant response to the customer's questions. If requested, it can automatically create support cases from these emails by extracting key details and assigning the case to a human support agent for escalation. Here's how its process works. First, the customer sends an email inquiry. The agent then detects the intent and classifies it as a product related issue. It queries knowledge base articles stored in Dynamics 365 to find the most relevant articles, then sends back a summarized answer. If the customer indicates the problem wasn't solved, the agent drafts a case including the product, the description, and the customer details. It then assigns it automatically to a support agent and sends a confirmation email with the case number and priority. Lastly, here's how it uses generative AI for translation. The agent detects the language of incoming emails and uses generative AI to translate and simplify these knowledge base articles in real time. It then sends the localized responses in the user's language, while also keeping an English version of the request in the case creation, so that support agents can easily understand and handle the inquiry. This ensures that non English speakers receive accurate and accessible support content. I welcome you to the demo for version 1.0 of the Autonomous Customer Service Agent. For starters, I'll act myself as a customer in this scenario with the email that you can see on my screen. I will be sending this to the support inbox, in this case, our developer's account. As you can see, in my query, I am asking about a flat work desk birch laminate. I have been trying to assemble this furniture, but I am experiencing difficulties with the process, and I have not been able to complete it correctly. I am sending my details so that the support team can contact me, my email and my phone. I will press send, and then I'll proceed to explain what the bot does in the meantime. The autonomous agent monitors the incoming emails to that inbox using natural language processing to identify the keywords in the subject to classify the request as a product-related issue. Based on the extracted data, the agent will query the internal knowledge base articles stored in Dynamics 365 Customer Service, select and rank the most relevant knowledge base articles based on the keywords that I sent and past cases, and then we'll send a personalized response email including a summarization of the most relevant articles. Based on the response that the autonomous agent gets from me, the customer, the agent will proceed to either close the flow and send me a notification, or proceed to offer a support case creation if I indicate that the issue remains unresolved. As you can see, the autonomous agent has responded with a summarization on a knowledge base article explaining me how to assemble this furniture, the compact felt birch. It is asking me if I find the response useful. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to be saying no, so that the autonomous agent offers me a case creation. We will also see how this is created in Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Based on my response, the agent is just checking in with me, and it's offering me to create a case. It drafted a preliminary case using a structured template. In this case, it's going to use what's the product that I'm having issues with and what's the description. Like the autonomous agent is saying here, if they don't hear back from me for the next couple of days, they will consider the issue resolved and close the case in Dynamics 365, but it will also notify me as well. In this case, I'm going to confirm the case creation, and I'm going to get a notification with a case number. In the meantime, let's go to the Customer Service Hub and check if the case has been created. As we can see from here, The bot has automatically created a case indicating that it's a manufacturing issue. It has logged me as a customer, creating a customer record specifically for me. And it has linked the product that I'm having issues with and the type of product that I have. This is based on a very customizable template. So as you can see, it's a very easy way to create a case. And it's also identifying a support agent and automatically assigning the case to them. After this, the bot has responded to me, the case confirmation creation, thanking me for confirming the support request. It has sent me the case number and the product and the description and the priority that right now it is set to low. It's also telling me as a customer that the support team will be reviewing my case and will share an initial response as soon as possible. That's how the autonomous case service works. We will now proceed to see how it works with generative AI to create these cases for people that are non-English speakers. In order to improve the global customer support by using generative AI to translate, simplify, and contextualize knowledge base articles automatically, the autonomous agent ensures that non-English speakers customers such as myself or customers with varying levels of technical understanding can access accurate localized support content. In my case, my mother tongue is Spanish. I'm going to be sending the same email that we saw before, but in the Spanish language. I'm going to be pressing send, and I should be receiving from the agent a response with assembly instructions, but in Spanish. I have gotten a response back from the agent sending me the same knowledge base articles as in the English one, but translated in Spanish using generative AI. Let's say that I did not find this response useful. I'm going to be pressing no, and the agent will do so that the same as in the English case, it will offer me to create a case. As we can see, the autonomous agent has responded to me back in Spanish, same as in the English case, and it's offering me to create a case. I can either create the case, like I said before, or cancel it. It's also showing me a product, the product description, and telling me the next steps to take. In this case, I am going to confirm the case creation and we'll continue with the demo. Lastly, I can see that the autonomous agent has responded in Spanish, providing me the case number, what's the product that I'm having issues with. In this case, it has sent it to me in Spanish, and the description and the priority for the case, and also instructing me what should I expect from the support team. If I go to Customer Service Hub, I can see that the case has been created with the same information, but it's also giving the descriptions in English so that it's easier for the support agents to handle the case. As you can see, the case has also been automatically assigned, in this case, to our developer. Lastly, that I cannot present, unfortunately, in this demo, in the upcoming days, if in 2 days I do not hear any response, or if I do not interact with the email, in the case that I didn't choose to create a case, I will be receiving a notification from the autonomous agent telling me to either proceed or that they will just disestimate the query and just close the case or close the flow entirely. Every day, service teams face common challenges: limited channel support, low agent productivity, high customer effort, and incomplete reporting. At Argano, we understand these obstacles. We have designed a Smart Start for customer service to address these typical challenges. With Smart Start, you can transform low and inconsistent agent productivity into knowledge embed high quality service. You can move from high customer effort and reactive support to a streamlined proactive customer experience. And you can reduce time to resolution and cost to serve, improving both efficiency and satisfaction across every channel. And that's because great customer experiences start here with Smart Start for customer service. Great. So this has been the Autonomous Customer Service Agent demo. Thank you all for attending this, and thanks.